Welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see 50 most important questions and answers about International Day of Yoga. Yoga is originated from which country? Answer: India. Who is the father of yoga? Answer: Lord Shiva. International Yoga Day is observed on. Answer: 21st June. India celebrated its first International Yoga Day is on. Answer: 21st June 2015. What is the theme of International Day of Yoga 2021? Answer: Yoga for well-being. What is the meaning of Sanskrit word yoga? Answer: union. Which Veda mentions the elements of yoga? Answer: Rig Veda. What is the theme of International Day of Yoga 2020? Answer: Yoga for health, yoga at home. Resolution of International Yoga Day was passed in. Answer: UN Assembly. When did the UN General Assembly announce 21st June as International Yoga Day? Answer: 11th December 2014. How many countries celebrated the International Yoga Day? Answer: 192 countries. In 2019, which city hosts PM Narendra Modi's International Yoga Celebration? Answer: Ranchi in Jharkhand. Which International Day of Yoga event created a Guinness World Record? Answer: 21st June 2015. Celebration of International Yoga Day in India is done by which ministry? Answer: Ministry of Ayush. Full form of Ayush. Answer: Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. When was the yoga introduced in the United States? Answer: the year 1893. What is the ideal time for practicing yoga? Answer: early morning. Who is the father of modern yoga? Answer: Patanjali. Which Indian introduced yoga first time in Religion Conference, Chicago, America? Answer: Swami Vivekananda. Autobiography of a yogi book is written by. Answer: Paramahamsa Yogananda. Who wrote the book Light on Yoga? Answer: P.K.S. Iyengar. Who proposed International Yoga Day in India? Answer: Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Where is the birthplace of yoga? Answer: Rishikesh. How many yogasanas are there? Answer: 84. How many chakras are there in the human body? Answer: 7. The word pranayama refers to. Answer: breath control exercise. Which asana is helpful in maintaining normal blood pressure? Answer: Virasana. Which yogasana is known as mountain pose? Answer: Tadasana. What are the 5 elements in yoga? Answer: earth, water, fire, air and sky. Which is a meditating posture? Answer: Padmasana. The word Bhujanga in Bhujangasana refers to. Answer: snake. Where do we find the systematic reference of yoga? Answer: Yoga Darshana, written by Patanjali. Which asana improve our digestive system? Answer: Vajrasana. What is the meaning of the word Hatha? Answer: sun and moon. Who invented modern yoga pants? Answer: William Hanford. The superconscious state is known as. Answer: Turiya. In 2020, which International Yoga Day is celebrated? Answer: 6th one. Crocodile pose in yoga is known as. Answer: Makarasana. Utkarshana resembles. Answer: chair posture. How many steps in one Surya Namaskar round? Answer: 12. Which body organ is mainly focused in yogic perspective? Answer: brain. In the year 2015, which country did not participate in the celebration of International Day of Yoga? Answer: Pakistan. Who launched the logo of International Day of Yoga? Answer: Sri Narendra Modi ji. Who is the chairman of the Committee for Common Yoga Protocol? Answer H.R. Nagendra. Which yoga is the king of yoga? Answer Salamba Shirshasana. As per NCF 2005, the formal introduction of yogic practices should start from which class? Answer Class 6. With which element Zero Mudra is related? Answer Sky. What is the action of filling air from the atmosphere to the lungs called? Answer Breathing. Who is the author of Yoga Sutra? Answer Patanjali. When was the All India Yoga Teachers Federation established? Answer 20 July 2020. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.